Hey Artland, happy Friday. In honor of it being Friday today, I want to show you guys how to draw some fun French fries. Now, French fries are really easy. So we want to start with the little container that they're going to come in. So right here in the middle of my paper, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face. So I'm just going to start here and I'm just going to draw a nice big smiley face. Now, at the end of each of the smiley face, I'm going to just make a little diagonal line, just like that. Then, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and it's kind of at an angle a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just draw it down, kind of at an angle. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves a little bit to connect those two lines. Now, starting here at this line, I'm going to just draw a line that goes down, and I'm not going to go all the way. I'm just going to end it right about here. So I'm going to leave just a little bit of space at the end. So I'm going to start here and just draw a line that goes down to about there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just draw a line that just goes down to right about there. Now, I want to draw the French fries inside of here. Now, French fries are kind of like all over the place when you draw them in here. They're going to be kind of everywhere and kind of going all over. So there are lots of different ways to do this. So I'm just going to show you guys a few different ways. So the first way is just very easy, and you just want to draw a rectangle shape. So you want to go up, over, and then down just to make a little rectangle shape. Very easy. Now, it looks really cool if you can make these look kind of three-dimensional. So to do that, you just want to draw a line that kind of goes down at an angle. And then you just want to draw a line that goes down like this, just to kind of make the little French fry. This way you can kind of see the side of it. So you can do that a few different times. You can make some French fries that are different sizes by just making some different little rectangles and then just drawing a little diagonal line with a line that goes down. Now, the French fries are kind of all over the place in here, so you can put that little diagonal line on the other side. So let's say I want to put one over here. I'm going to make a little rectangle. And then this time I'm going to put the little line over on this side. Now, we have a lot of empty space in here, so you can fill that up with other rectangles. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few other little rectangles in here, and then even some above it. So you might start on top of one, go over and end on another one, just to kind of fill it up. Then you can just kind of do that all the way around, just to kind of fill up your box of French fries. Now, you can also make the French fries in a different way. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a line that goes up. And then I'm going to make two little lines that come off of it, kind of like an arrow that's pointing straight up. And then I'm just going to draw two lines that go down. And that's another little way to make a French fry. And this is good for the French fries that are really high up because it looks like we're just kind of seeing the bottom of them, kind of like we're down and we're looking up at them. So you can do this for a lot of them, and you can just kind of add your own French fry style into here. And just make sure you kind of fill up the whole little container with all of these different little French fries. Now that I have my container filled with the fries, you can leave it like this, or you can add some faces onto here. So we're just going to make this kind of fun. So we're just going to add a silly little face on here. So right down here, I'm going to just draw a line that goes down and then comes back like this. And then I'm going to make a little line just in there like that. So then same thing, starting over here, draw a line that goes kind of down. Then just go over And then just draw a little line right across like this for some kind of like little laughing eyes. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line across. And then I'm just going to make a big smiley face like this in here. And then a little sad face for the tongue. Then you could also have some fun and you can add some different faces onto here. You could add just some little dots for eyes and then like a little smiley face for a mouth. You can make a kind of like little winking face with a little open mouth. You could add different little things on here, like you could make one of those little kawaii faces. There's lots of different things you guys can do to add different details to the faces of your French fry if you want to. But there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon box of French fries. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.